So in this video, I will show you the free of charge reseller login in Ongoing. In our example, we pretend that we are a e-commerce store, so we sell goods online, clothing goods, and then we are going to create a physical store and create a reseller account for that physical store so that they can order goods from the central warehouse. So I log in here with an administrator and I go to administrations and users. Here is where I will create a new reseller user. Before I do that, I need to create a customer for the physical store. So I go here. This is my customers for the e-commerce store that I'm running, and it's only 20 customers from the orders that have come in here in my demo data. We are going to create a new customer called physical store, and I have to give an address, so I'll give mine here at Ongoing. Click create, and now I have a customer called physical store. And that user is, or that customer is going to be used when we create a new reseller account here. So let's call it physical store reseller, and then I have to give an email so that I can choose a password. I'll use my email here. And this setting is not here per default. It's available in Ongoing, so if you want this, you reach out to your customer representative at Ongoing, but you select here what article groups the reseller account is going to have access to, and I want all groups, which are only shorts and t-shirt in this case. And here I choose the customer should be the physical store. So I click create, and now I've created such an account. The only thing that the reseller account is able to see are these three pages: create order, orderable articles, and order list. And as an administrator, you may know that you can change the views here of this list, for example, and the reseller account won't be having these buttons. In our case, we're fine with the list here, but let's change here for orderable articles. So here we have the article registry for this this goods owner that's called reseller demo, and I am going to add a column here which should be a picture of the goods, so that the reseller knows what they're ordering. So here you go to the settings cog and you choose columns, and then you type in here. First off, this is all that you have to choose from if you want to add a new column. We want to add something with image, so write in image, and it happens to be this choice. So click this button, and now it will be located on the far right. If you only want to have this for the reseller permission level, you choose only that here. I'm good with all, so I just click update. And if I press cancel, it takes me back to the list here of orderable articles. And now I have an image here. So now we're ready to log out of this account and in with our reseller, and we're going to create an order. So we log in here with the username and password that I just chosen for the physical store reseller login. So I click login, and here is the order list for the physical store, and we have not placed any orders yet, so we don't see any, and the reseller account will only be able to see the orders from that they have placed themselves. And as you can see here, the only thing that we can see is the order list, where we are now, create order, and orderable articles. And here we can see the image link. So let's place an order. So I'll do that here, and I'm going to order goods to my physical store myself, and I'll give an order number. I have to give a unique order number. This one has already been used, so let's do order number 2. And here I have the goods that I can order. If you have a lot of articles, you can of course search for article number or article name and also parts of article names, but in this case we don't. So I'll have 10 of these, 50 of these, 20 of these. Let's do some t-shirts as well. 50, 50, 50, and then I press enter, and now that has been placed on my order. So I click close order, and now I have it here in the order list. And if I want to see what's on my order as a reseller login account, then I can do so here by expanding it. And here's the orders that I've placed. Now, if I log out and log back in as an administrator, you will see that this order is at the top of the order list in here. And you see here that this one was the only one with order number 1, but here's the one that we just placed with 230 items on it. So here it is. So that is how we can work with a reseller account in Ongoing to place orders to your physical stores or whatever it is that you need to place orders to. It could be some sub-warehouse location or anything like that. You have to apply this onto your own business needs. Thank you very much.